We all likely have our fair share of interesting gadgets. Whether it's the phone in your pocket or simply your favorite cooking device, amazing gadgets can be found everywhere. Though today we'll be taking a look at several ingenious gadgets and innovations that are on a brand new level. Moveit Swift. This is a set of incredibly impressive boxing gloves that can change the way you work out for the better. These gloves can pair wirelessly to your favorite smart device, intelligently tracking your fitness data and sending it to the app so you can keep up with your daily workout routine. The app can even analyze your data and provide you with handy tips and tricks to better yourself on your next workout. These gloves are designed to be used with the company's Reflex bag, an adjustable device that can provide you with a more lifelike boxing experience. The Moveit Swift uses shock-absorbing gloves so that you can box for extended periods of time without risking pain in your joints or any unnecessary muscle fatigue. The app also provides you with multiple courses to take part in so that you can work out differently each day. If you're looking for a fun and challenging way to continue your workout routine, look no further. Moveit Swift has you covered. These gloves are available now on Indiegogo, but act quickly before they sell out. They're anticipated to ship in October of 2020. Roccubot Mini. Roccubot claims to be the world's first UVC sanitizing solution with the PIR smart sensor. Each day, we're surrounded by bacteria and viruses that could prove to be disastrous to our health. There's never been a better time when we are striving to be more health conscious, doing our best to eradicate germs before they spread. This is where the Roccubot Mini steps in to help. This portable light is able to kill over 99% of germs that may linger nearby, simply by turning the device on. The UVC light that the bulb emits will destroy the genetic makeup of nearby bacteria, rendering it useless and eliminating the threat of potentially harmful bacteria. All you need to do is press the on button and let the light do the rest. A smart sensor can track whenever a human or an animal walks by, turning off the light so that bodily harm cannot be caused. These lights would be perfect for an office space or a bedroom, pretty much anywhere that collects germs over time. Works Zip Snip. This is a new type of snipping tool that can take the hard work out of crafting and allow you to more quickly and efficiently complete your household projects. Scissors can be incredibly tiring, taking lots of time and energy when working on large projects. The Zip Snip takes the hassle out of snipping by implementing an electric motor to do the hard work for you. Much like a pair of scissors, just place the device against whatever it is you're needing to snip and turn it on. The tiny blade will begin to cut away at paper, plastic, cloth, cardboard, fiberboard, leather, canvas, and so much more. This snipping tool would be perfect for anyone who is an avid crafter or seamstress, cutting down on many hours of work and making long-term snipping quite fast and easy to manage. This tool has been on the market for a few years, but has recently become quite popular on Amazon. If you're looking to give one of these snippers a try, be sure to act quickly because they won't last long. Wipe. Wipe is a new type of home cleanup device. It may look like an ordinary vacuum cleaner, but it is far from it. Wipe's innovative technology makes it easy to clean up solids or liquid spills without the hassle of a mop and without needing to get on your hands and knees to clean up messes with your bare hands. With Wipe, nearly all of your cleanup problems can be solved with one simple device. Wipe's intelligent roller is capable of picking up any type of debris from the floor, storing it in a container located on the bottom of the unit. A base station is able to collect all of the wastewater and debris that may have been picked up during the cleaning cycle, making it easy to pour down the drain. You can pick up broken eggs, cereal, yogurt spills, ice cream, and virtually any liquid you can imagine. The roller will make easy work of nearly anything on your floor. The charger connects to a simple magnetic mechanism, making charging a breeze. Wipe is available now on Indiegogo. Wing. Wing is an amazing new drone that is ready to change the way we receive packages forever. One of the worst things about buying items online is having to wait many days for the packages to arrive, especially if the package is important. Even the most efficient shipping options can take until the next business day, or at the least a few hours. Companies have worked diligently to solve this problem by implementing curbside pickup, but in order to retrieve your items, you'll still need to drive to the store and likely wait in a long line of other shoppers before picking up your merchandise. This is where Wing steps in to help. Wing is a new form of drone delivery service that is able to deliver packages from local retailers in a matter of minutes rather than hours. Wing claims that most local deliveries can be dropped off within just 10 minutes, meaning it would be faster for a drone to deliver your goods than for you to drive to the store and pick them up. It may have seemed like a pipe dream to wish for instantaneous delivery of products, but Wing is certainly working to get us close to that reality. Hyperlaser. If you've ever wished to be able to easily customize or modify products in your home or your personal creations, Hyperlaser is just what you need. This is a laser engraving device that is able to quickly and easily etch designs on all of your favorite products. Custom designs or letters can be programmed into the device, allowing you to laser etch onto nearly any surface you could imagine. Etch your name on your favorite wooden utensils, add a design to your favorite shoes, or even add a logo to your leather jacket or smartphone case. Hyperlaser can do it all. This device is currently seeking backers on Kickstarter, though the project is already completely funded. PhonePad. This amazing product is able to completely change the way you use your smartphone. PhonePad is a brand new monitor that can be attached to your smartphone, allowing you to use a much larger screen to view your device. This would be incredibly beneficial to someone who would like the functionality of a tablet while retaining all of the performance of a modern smartphone, as well as all of the files that may be stored on that device. The PhonePad simply plugs into the charging port of your phone, allowing you to perform all your normal tasks on a large screen. You can play games, watch movies, or edit documents with ease. The greatest feature of this product, however, may be its price. If you already own a capable smartphone, a tablet may be difficult to justify the large investment. However, this screen is expected to retail at around half the price of a new tablet. This is an incredibly difficult product to pass up, and we can't wait to see how these screens can enhance the lives of their users. iFlow. If you find yourself being incredibly conscious about the future of the planet, this is the perfect device. iFlow is a new type of smart water faucet attachment that can help eliminate wasted water and bring your faucet into the future. The smart sensors in iFlow allow you to turn your water on or off without ever having to touch the faucet. This makes your restroom or kitchen experience far more sanitary, though it can also save hundreds of gallons of wasted water each year. In addition to helping save the planet, this can also save money in your wallet by cutting down on your water bill each month. This faucet adapter offers a built-in LCD display that can instantly track the amount of water you are using, so you can better understand your monthly water bill and work on ways to improve your water usage. Each time the faucet turns on, the display will accurately show how much water has been dispensed. This easy-to-install adapter can change the way you use your faucet and help you to save a bit of money in the process.